Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about IELTS General Writing Task 1. So as all of you know, IELTS General Writing Task 1 is about letters. So you can get any of the letter like formal, semi-formal or informal. So this video will be about the formal letters. So formal letters. A formal letter is one written to an unknown person in a formal language and it has a particular format. So, some of the examples of formal letter are a job application, a resignation letter, a business letter, complaint letter. So, let's quickly discuss the format of the letter. So, the first thing you should know is that the formal letter or any other letter in the IELTS General Writing Task 1 should be written between 150 to 180 words. It should not exceed 180 words. I mean, if you're writing less than 150 words, there will be a reduction in your marks. But if you're writing more than 180 words, then you will be just wasting your time. So the formal letter should begin with dear sir or ma'am, and it should end with yours faithfully. So let's discuss the format of the letter and how you should write a formal letter by taking an example. And I will be telling you what to write in a letter so that you get a rough idea. So, so here, if you get a question, you have just returned from a holiday and were not satisfied with your trip. Write to your travel agency in your letter. Say where when you went for the holiday. Explain why you were not satisfied with the holiday and tell them what do you want them to do. Now, when you're reading the question, in the first paragraph, you have to just write the purpose of the letter. And when you look at the bullet points, just make sure you answer all these three bullet points in three separate paragraphs. So this is the way you should write a formal letter. Just keep in mind that you have to answer all these questions. So let's start the letter. So in the starting, I told you as it is a formal letter, so you have to start with dear sir, madam. So now in the first paragraph, you have to just write the purpose of letter. So in the purpose, you can write, I'm writing to express my disappointment with the recent holiday trip that I booked with your travel agency. So you just in two lines, you just told them why you're writing this letter. So now in the second paragraph, you have to answer first bullet point. The first bullet point that was asked was like where and when you went for the trip. So now you have to write, I went to Sydney on 19th July 2020. I was completely astonished as during my itinerary I was served non-vegetarian meals. The connecting flight got delayed and I was not aware of it. Your travel agency was supposed to send notification regarding the same. Now, in the second paragraph, you have to further write like what problems did you face? Like you're answering the second bullet point. You can write, when I reached airport, the cab did not arrive on time. I had to wait for so long. To my surprise, the hotel was 2 star instead of 4. As further committed, it was not sea facing. So continue in the next line. It was opposite the supermarket, leading to a lot of noise in my room. Bedding was not clean and heating system was inadequate. It disturbed my peace of mind. In addition to this, food served was unhygienic. I felt really bad as all my plans were a failure. I even tried to contact your travel agency customer service, but no one answered my phone calls and they didn't reply to my emails. I'm really disheartened with such an awful experience. So, so now in these two paragraphs, you have explained the two bullet points. The first one that where and when you went for the trip, and in the second paragraph, you have you have just explained what all problems you faced. Now, the third bullet point asked was tell them what you want them to do, like what action you want them to take. So now in the last, paragraph, you can just write, I urge you to refund my valuable money, and it is my right to claim for it. I will be really grateful if you look into this. You can just add here matter seriously. And then you have to end the letter. Uh, it's a formal letter, so you have to write yours faithfully, and at the end, you have to write your full name. So this is the way you will be attempting formal letter in the IELTS general writing task 1. So just make sure you don't write hi, hello, all this in the formal letter, and use formal language and write to the point. So these are some of the things you should remember when you're writing a formal letter. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.